Welcome to this guide on how to jailbreak any PS4 that's running firmware version 11.00 or below. The method I'm about to walk you through is hands down the simplest way to get the Gold Hen jailbreak running on your console. Let's skip the chit chat, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe for more PS4 jailbreaking content, and let's jump right into it. To start off, there are a few things you'll need before beginning this jailbreak process. First up is an old USB stick. It cannot be USB 3.0 since those can sometimes cause issues during the jailbreak. You'll also need an Ethernet cable to connect your PS4 to a computer or laptop. If your system doesn't have an Ethernet port, you'll need to use an Ethernet to USB adapter instead. Lastly, you'll need a Windows PC or laptop, and of course, your PS4 running firmware 11.00 or lower. This method currently does not support anything higher than 11.00, so don't even attempt it if you're on a newer version. If you've gathered all those items, let's move forward. First, download the files provided in the description. This bundle includes everything needed for the jailbreak. You should also grab a copy of Rufus if you need to format your USB drive to exFAT, which is required for this to work. Only exFAT formatted USB drives are supported, so be sure to do that step first. Next, plug one end of your Ethernet cable into your PS4 and the other into your PC or laptop. You can confirm the connection by searching for network connections in the Windows search bar. This will show which Ethernet port your PS4 is connected to. Mine showed up under Ethernet 1. Now go ahead and unzip the files you downloaded onto your desktop. You'll need to install an application called npcap. This is a necessary component for the process to function properly. Once installed, plug in your exFAT formatted USB and copy the golden.bin file over to it. Make absolutely sure there are no other files on that USB. Once that's complete, insert the USB stick into your PS4. On your PS4, navigate to Network Settings and create a new connection using a LAN cable. Choose Custom, and when you get to the IP settings, select PPPoE at the bottom. Enter something simple like 3PS and proceed. When you reach the Test Internet Connection screen, just leave it there for now. Back on your PC, launch the GUI tool included in the download package. Once it's open, select the .bin file by simply dragging it into the interface. Make sure it's the Stage 2.1 version from the package, and double check that it matches firmware 11.0. Then, choose your Ethernet port. Mine auto-detected the right one, but you may need to select it manually. Also, check the box that says try again after fail. Now go ahead and click Run Exploit. If you encounter an error, don't stress. It's common. Try disabling any antivirus software temporarily. If that doesn't work, try using a different version of the GUI tool. That fixed it for me. Once that's sorted out, you'll be able to run the exploit successfully. After hitting Run Exploit, quickly head back to your PS4 and press Test Internet Connection. This may take a few attempts, so stay patient. The exploit is still in development and might be slow, but if you persist, it will eventually work. If you see a could not load payload message, keep retrying. You'll eventually see the Gold Hen success message, and at that point, your PS4 will be fully jailbroken. Afterward, go into debug settings and make sure to enable the Gold Hen safe mode option. This will help keep the jailbreak active even in safe mode. However, if you turn your console off completely, you'll need to reinstall the jailbreak using this same process. With this jailbreak, you'll have access to all sorts of advanced settings, and you can even use offline mod menus in games like GTA 5 or Red Dead Redemption 2. I hope you guys found this quick guide helpful on the easiest way to jailbreak your PS4. Don't forget to leave a like and subscribe to support your boy. More jailbreak tutorials are coming soon. Peace out, homies.